Let's take a look at Guide 7. Don't continue on with phone conversations when you are in the middle of something else. This is especially true if you are in banks, stores, etc. It is insulting not to give the people who are serving you your full attention. Now let's take a look at, there's a phrase here that I'd like you guys to pay attention to. Please highlight. Don't continue on with. Okay, this is not used very often, but you do hear people say this sometimes. Continue on with. Okay. The second thing we want to talk about is the etc. you see here. This is pronounced as etc. It's not etc. It's etc. It originates from Latin, so basically it just means 点点等等 以此类推, right? It is insulting. Insulting, please highlight that one too. Insulting, it's a bad feeling. It's like saying that the person or accusing somebody of doing something. That is called insulting. In Chinese, you probably say 侮辱, right? In 侮辱. Insulting, not to give the people who are serving you their full attention. So remember, when you're talking on the phone or when you're talking to someone, remember to maintain eye contact. Number 8, think about where you are calling from. Don't make or receive calls in an inappropriate place. Inappropriate just means not suitable. Put your phone on vibrate in meetings, movies, etc. If you must take a call in the car, use a hand-free set. Okay? If you must take a call means to talk to somebody on the phone. Alright, so this is just the reading part. So in the real situation, how would you use these phone etiquettes? Let's go over some key rules. Okay, first, number 1, how do we say 手机铃声? Anybody know? Okay, the answer is ringtone. Yes, you got it. Okay, the second thing is, if we do this to our phone, okay, like I switch it over. If you have an iPhone, you know where the switch is. It's over here. Okay. What do you call this? This is called what? Turn on vibrate. Or you can say switch to vibrate. Okay. And then, or turn to silent. That's fine too. Okay. Another thing is, if you want to 接电话, you would say, I need to take a call. I need to take a call now. So you would say, excuse me, I need to take a call. Like that. Okay? Excuse me, I need to take a call. And you can also say things like, oh, you need to learn to say things about the battery. Now, if your phone's running out of battery, 没电, you can say, oh, my phone is almost dead. Okay, or my phone needs to be charged right away. Okay, I need a charger. Alright, let's move on to the next part. So apart from all the things that we've talked about from the book, now let's take a look at some other additional phrases that I've written up on the board. This is polite versus impolite. Okay. Now, in English, a lot of students sometimes ask me, like, if I go out with a foreigner to eat something, and if I want to actually, tell him that it is, 各付各, how would you say that? How would you say that in English? Let's take a look. For example, if A says, let's have lunch together today. Okay. B can say, oh, let's go Dutch. Or let's split the bill. Split basically just means 分开, okay? 分开, split the bill. Alright. And in Taiwan, or I think parts of China, they now say AA. Like some people say AA 制, right? And what does that really mean? Okay, it's actually from the word algebraic, average. Algebraic is like the math word 代数, okay, average, 平均. So it's a mathematical term, basically. It's just saying that you're going to split it into half and share it, okay? Now, in America, I guess most people would use this. This is more common, like split the bill. But in Taiwan now, a lot of people learn this. Go Dutch, let's go Dutch. Okay, well, that's fine. Whichever way works better for you, okay? Now, let's take a look at this one over here. I've picked out another phrase that people would usually hear from movies or from TV series. It's take a rain check. Take a rain check. And I get a lot of people ask me, oh, what does that mean? Oh, what's a rain check, right? Okay, this basically just means, let's do it another time, all right? Or let's postpone this. I like your idea, but let's do it on another day. In this way, we say it's a rain check, all right? Now, if you look it up, you will find that the origin or the original, okay, version of this phrase is based in like a sports game. Now, usually in a sports game, if it rains, the coach will say, let's take a rain check. That means let's do this game another day. But nowadays, we use this phrase for other purposes also. For instance, if we've been having lunch or dinner and then you can't make it to lunch or dinner, you would text your friend, or you might tell your friend, oh, sorry, I need to take a rain check today because I'm busy. I believe a lot of you watch American movies or Hollywood movies, so I'm pretty sure that you've heard of these before, or you may have learned them before in previous English classes. So this is a little talk about polite versus impolite. Now, I've also attached another video to this video, so I'd like you guys to watch this video. Now, this video is about polite ways to ask people in English. It's a pretty short video. Now, what I'd like you guys to do for homework and for the rest of this class is I'd like you guys to jot down 3 requests in English in polite ways and 3 requests in English in impolite ways. So 3 sentences, polite requests, and 3 impolite requests, and plus your vocabulary list for our class log. Now, some students have already told me about the class log, and you guys obviously need more time for that. So we're postponing the class log to after the Labor holiday, which is this week, okay, this coming week. And this Friday is Labor Day, so there will only be 1 video this week. But if you have time, don't forget to continue with Chapter 5 of the 39 steps. So for now, remember to do the class log, remember vocabulary, and also the 3 polite questions and 3 impolite questions. Include that in your class log for today's class. So I hope you've learned something about today. The most important word today is also this word, etiquette. So don't forget to learn this word and write it down in your class log. Okay. And apart from that, well, we'll see you guys next week, and hope you all have a great holiday. Stay safe, and hopefully we'll see each other face to face soon.